Alright, and then we have done this working with words. Look at the list of words and phrases from the story. Replied, whispered, yelled, growled, called out, cried, asked, and shouted. What you have to do is find where they have been used in the story. Most of the time, authors will use the verb said, but sometimes they need to be more precise. Pick out any four examples from the above and use them in sentences of your own. So, what you have to do is you have to find these words in your chapter, Nicobarbanus, and then you can use them in your own sentences. There are 8 of them, but what you have to do is you just have to find only 4 of them, and then you can write them down, and you can use them in your own sentences. Alright, let's move on to your homework assignment. Homework assignment was from this your workbook number 6 and page number 6. Nicobarbanus, as you can see the chapter's name. What we have to do exercise A, part 1, converting into statements, questions, commands, and. Alright, convert the exclamations into statements and commands by changing the order of the words and adding or omitting any words you wish. Do not change the meaning of the sentences. Alright, so they have asked us to change these sentences into statements or commands. हम इसमें से कुछ words remove भी कर सकते हैं, हम इसमें से कुछ words add भी कर सकते हैं, but we cannot change the meaning of the sentences. Okay, so for example, they have given us, what a handsome man, with the exclamation mark. He is a handsome man. You can use certainly if you want. Alright, A is, what a nuisance. It is a great nuisance. You can write in the answer of this, it is a great nuisance. B is, how strange to see you here. What you can do in this sentence is you can just remove how and you can write, it is strange to see you here with a full stop. C is, what wonderful weather we are having. Alright, you can again remove the exclamatory mark and you can write, we are having a wonderful weather, full stop. We walked 20 miles, which we are very tired. We were walking for 20 miles and now we were tired. Alright, and then I want you all to do all of these on your own, and I will check your workbooks inshallah very soon. E is, what nonsense you are talking. F is attention with exclamatory mark. G is, run quickly. H, how wonderful you are.